So there's a saying in Tamil, which is my mother tongue, called Yadum Ure Yavrum Kelir, which translates to every town you go is your own, and every person you meet is your relation. So I was born in Madurai, a city in South India. It's got a river running through the city. And even though it's a city, it's got the feeling of a village where everybody knows everybody. And there's a strong sense of community. I'm a radio jockey in an internet-based radio called British Indian Tamil Radio. And that's something I'm very passionate about because it gives me the opportunity to speak Tamil, which is my mother tongue, without mixing any other words. And that's a challenge sometimes. So both my parents were teachers. They were both teachers in vocational education. That means that there's lots of barriers for them to grow in the society. They would always come to my parents to get some career advice. And I've got very strong women in my life, starting from my mother. She grew up in the 60s, and at that time, the society was very conservative, but she retained her surname even after her marriage. That's a simple thing, but such a strong and powerful thing to be able to do that at that particular point in time. My wife is a feminist, and she always advocates for equality on a gender basis. And my sister equally is a strong woman. She's the carer for my nephew, who's nonverbal and autistic, and she's set up lots of initiatives for not just my nephew, it's for the local community in India as well. I feel very strongly for the most vulnerable in the community, and I try to give a voice to them in an intersectional approach. And that's a value that I carry with me, and that's what drives me to come to work every day. There is a big movement within our organization to address those inequalities. So I'm very passionate about taking a population health approach. So it's not just about meeting the demand that people are facing today, it's actually understanding the emerging needs. It could be related to race, it could be related to financial situation, it could be related to generational issues. And if you take that approach, then you can identify the most vulnerable part of a population and then start doing the work that they need to do to address some of those barriers. And that's my approach, and I think that's what I bring to the work.